Gotta be careful now. Daddy's trying to drain some gas, so.
Why is it getting gas?
Because the gas is old.
Why it's old?
It stayed in there too long.
Too long?
Mm-hmm.
That way we need grass?
New gas.
Need them?
Yep.
Why do we need gas?
Because. Be careful.
Help! Dad! Help! Daddy! Help!
Your leg's stuck. So I said, be careful. Get it out. There you go. Hold on. Dang.
And that other one's walking.
Give it some.
Do you wash it?
Yeah.
It's orange.
Here, baby.
Put it on his finger. His thumb.
I did this, see? That red thing. It's a wing pop.
Uh-huh.
It pops. It pops! It pops! My red wing pops. Look, it pops. See it pop? Turn it back. Pop.
Just got a little bit of a...
We're taking the picture.
In that one.
We're taking the picture. I'm taking the picture.
I'm filming you.
No, I'm
Yeah.
gonna take a picture. I want to take a picture.
Can't run from the picture. Hey, you gonna hide behind that pole? I can't see him. Where'd you go? I don't see him. There he is. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Mmm.
It's done? Not yet. Everybody get it done. Everybody almost.
Mmm.
Everyone. No!
Are you driving?
That's so fast. Can I use those?
Oh, is that black? Is that black over there?
Yeah, I'm driving.
This is some, so I don't want...
Okay, bye.
It's like an outlet. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Talk Uncle Tony.
Like, oh shit, hold on.
Cut one, ain't it? That's what she